This will be a review on the Bunker Hill 60 LED solar security light, sold by Harbor Freight. As you can see, it mounts up fairly easy. 2-screw bracket, motion sensor, has a range of about 50 feet. The settings control. It's powered by one wire that comes down to a nice small solar panel that's adjustable. That's mounted with 4 screws. It's fully adjustable. Any time of the year you want to move it, you can. This powers an internal battery that is stored in the unit itself. Let's turn it on and see how bright it is. As you can see, that's pretty bright, even in the daylight. We'll go ahead and shut her off. And we'll be back at nighttime to see how sensitive it is. This is the walk-up view in daytime with the settings almost at max. Not too bad. Picked me up about 6 feet or so. And this will be the test in pitch black darkness. Ooh, and there it is. Comes on at about maybe 20 feet away. Not too bad. Decently bright. Lights up pretty good area. It's not bad at all for the money.